I thought I was going to use it to go to sleep, and I got so sucked into it. So it has been a huge thing for me to have all in one place. And I can't say enough good about it. I absolutely love everything about it. I'm so glad that I got it.
Hello everybody, my name is Ivana and I'm a face and body painter based in Romania. How cool is to have all the super talented artists in this world gathered in the same place. And not only that, teaching for you. How cool is that? That's why I went on FABAtv, because I think I can find there everything I want. From face painting.
And then right up here, I'm just going to rub in some of this stencil.
To body painting, airbrush techniques, airbrush tattoos, makeup, and many more. I love FABAtv because I can choose from a multitude of classes, and I have the opportunity to learn from artists I may never meet in this life face to face. I also like the fact that no matter what level you are, beginner or advanced, you will find not one lesson, but dozens of classes suitable for you. Should I mention that I don't have to pay for my plane or for accommodation?
Hola, soy Lu Ruiz de Argentina. A comparación a otras plataformas virtuales, es muy eficaz y sobre todo el nivel excelente que tiene cada instructor, y ahora con instructores latinos, así que estamos muy felices.
Para el final me encanta usar pintas labios y también brillo.
It's Sandra from Belgium, from Gindergrim Sandra. It was a revelation because I didn't know much about face painting. The most that I like about FABAtv, it's open day and night. I can enter when I want, where I want, and you just have to start a class and you're busy. For me, it's better to learn from FABAtv than YouTube, because in FABAtv classes, you are always on the first row to learn. Everything is in one place. So this is for me the best way to learn and the best platform there is. So thank you, FABAtv.
Join us on FABAtv, and together we can change the way that you see art.
I'm Jacqueline from Jackie's Face Paint. FABAtv is like a little family. In my opinion, FABAtv is one of the best resources. If you look at it, you can say, yeah, you have to pay for it. Yeah, that's true. I see it as an investment. But it's not even $1 a day. Just try it. Try it for a month. And I know that you will be sold.
Hi, I'm Summer Carter of NOLA Creative.
Hello, world. Welcome to NOLA Creative Live.
And I've been face painting 7 years. I set up my paints, my airbrushes, and most recently I've had an interest in balloons.
These balloons are crowd favorites and are requested over and over again.
I choose from a variety of talented artists, and I start learning. FABAtv was recommended to me by a friend, and now I encourage you all to go and get your subscription.